Well, I mean, of course, this is a very general problem which we share everywhere, although legislation is different in every country, so we have a different degree of problem. Well, let's just give an example of the case in which I've been working more, which is Italy. Like in our case, we don't have freedom of panorama. So like when for the first time Wikilove's monuments were exported outside the Netherlands in 2011, Italy couldn't participate. But then, like Wikimedia, as the Italian chapter, has found a way to bypass the problem temporarily, which means that we have like a form, which will be signed by the owners of the responsible for a museum or for a collection, etc. Of course, you cannot reach everything, and in a way, it's a bit of an inductive system in which you can have a lot in a place where people are very reactive and nothing where people are not. We have a lot in some regions. We don't have anything in Rome to say, which also is a good. I mean, it goes across with what you say. Wikilove's monuments in Italy has been important because it is a way to continuously discuss with the Italian government. There have been some steps forward, but not yet the real solution. Otherwise, we can only work with the material that we have, and we try to use Wikilove's monuments as a moment in which we can get more, because in that moment we have the right to do that. But I don't have really a solution to serve. Sorry.
And
Yeah.
the second question, if I may, is do you have a structured program for Wikipedia curators or ambassadors within the cultural institutions? How has this evolved? Because I've seen it in different countries, but I'm not sure what happens.
But there are several layers. I mean, like a very important profile is the Wikipedian in residence. Someone, but this is something different from what we have done. But also because what we have done is zero budget, or almost, just like paying the person that comes for the first training. And that's why also I learned directly. With the Wikipedia in residence, you have to work, but it also gives much more. Like in Italy currently, since a few months, there are regional representatives who have to coordinate the activities of the regional network, and that's a way also to establish a more rooted contact with the institution, etc., and to build this kind of trust. Also to convince museums, for instance, to welcome the classes for this kind of work, to show that there is an added value for them, and also to convince the teachers that that's an added value, of course. So there are indeed representatives on a local level.